Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, How It Started. In today's episode, where we'll be taking a trip down memory lane and learning about the beginning of mobile phones. Before we dive into the world of mobile phones, let's take a look at the evolution of communication. The telephone, invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876, revolutionized the way we communicate. It allowed people to communicate with each other from a distance, but the drawback was that it was limited to a fixed location. As technology advanced, communication devices became more portable and convenient, but still limited to a certain extent. It wasn't until the 1970s that the concept of a mobile phone was introduced. The first mobile phone, the Motorola Dynatac, was introduced in 1983. It was the size of a brick and weighed over 2 pounds. Despite its size and weight, it was a groundbreaking invention that allowed people to communicate on the go. The introduction of GSM technology in the late 1980s revolutionized the mobile phone industry. GSM technology improved the functionality of mobile phones and allowed for better network coverage. This paved the way for the growth of mobile phone networks and carriers. In 1993, the first smartphone, the IBM Simon, was introduced. It was a huge leap forward compared to other mobile phones at that time, as it allowed users to send and receive emails and faxes and even had a touch screen. On January 9, 2007, Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple Inc., took the stage to introduce a revolutionary new product. The first one is a widescreen iPod with touch controls. The second is a revolutionary mobile phone. And the third is a breakthrough internet communication device. An iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. An iPod, a phone. Are you getting it? These are not three separate devices. These are one device. And we are calling it iPhone. And with that, the iPhone was born. A game-changing device that redefined the smartphone industry, cemented Apple's place as one of the world's most innovative companies. Fast forward to today, and mobile phones have become an integral part of our daily lives. With constant advancements in technology, mobile phones have become smaller, lighter, and more powerful, with endless possibilities for what they can do. And there you have it, a brief history of how mobile phones started and how they've evolved into the essential devices we know and love today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.